Hey guys, I wanted to share a database with you. It is called Learn360. Learn360's target audience is teachers. It is not a student database. So teachers, this one is for you. I wanted to share Learn360 with you because as we are navigating distance learning, I feel like it has a lot of resources that you can use. Two of my teachers were raving about the passages in there and how they already had questions, and just after they found a passage, they were able to click one button and load it into their Google Classroom and assign it to their students. And I feel like right now that's really, really valuable. You guys are looking for activities for students to do. You're spending a lot of time typing out the articles, scanning them, cutting and pasting things. Well, this will seamlessly do it for you if you can find some things in here. It is not just comprehension articles. There's games, activities, lessons, videos that your students can watch that you can enrich and support across the curriculum. So what I'm going to show you, actually what we did last night is Miss Beltran told me just to type in comprehension, and I did. And so this is what comes up when I type in comprehension. Of course, this is not targeted towards elementary. This is high school, but I can narrow it down. First thing I'm going to do is to get to the articles, I'm going to click on games and activities up here in the search results. And then after I get to games and activities, I'm going to pick my grade level. And it shows me different reading comprehension activities that are available. You will notice right here it has the different grade levels. And you can just click on the heading and it will take you to the article. You can read the article right here, and it does scroll down. It's not just a short little article. I don't know how it does, but I know it does. Maybe when you get in the Google Classroom, it'll show you the questions right here that you can add to the passage. And then if you want to say, if you say like, oh, this is great, I want to add it to my Google Classroom, you just click Google Classroom. Since you're already signed in, you're just going to choose your class, and then you're going to choose your action, which is make an assignment and create an assignment, and then go. And it will put it right in your Google Classroom and assign it to your students. So I think this is a really good resource for you guys to do right now. To get back to the home page, there is a Learn360 icon up in the corner, and you can click on that. There are games in here. So I noticed last night there were math games, so you can go in here and embed these in your Google Classroom as well. Has the different grade levels. And there's a lot of videos, because I know some of you guys, if you're doing reading passages and you want to show your kids a video to give them a little background knowledge, you can scroll through videos on here as well. So I think that this is a very valuable resource for teachers right now since we are navigating distance learning. Of course, we've always done Google Classroom here in Mesquite, but this is an easy way to embed some stuff in there that can support your kids and enrich what you're teaching them. I hope you find this helpful and have a good day. Bye.